Mm, yes, good. Blessed, beautiful viewers and subscribers. I know I think come along alright. Today it's all about pumpkin porridge. Yeah man, I cook up a quick pot of pumpkin porridge. First time I do this, so stay tuned, watch the process. So real quick, get the area clean, clean up the area. Don't know, say first thing first. I feel like up the fire so I can get rid of the mosquito them. So I may not come in long sleeve because the mosquito them out. Mosquito them out and stunting. Yeah, mosquito them out and stunting. Well, light up the fire now. What the only for mosquito? Mosquito. So I'm not here for my long sleeve. So in a while dark mosquito them. But mosquito, them say black catch mosquito still good. Long sleeve, light up the fire and get rid of them fast. At least not all of them still. Some of them. Alright, so right then in my pocket, that here out of my pocket. That is it. Oh, piece of plastic for plastic. Alright, so plastic you know. Fire go get light up you know. Mm-hmm. But you're not supposed to take long for catch you know because all fire stick there. And when fire catch up one thing, it turns some more stuff you know. Mm-hmm. Alright. So I cut the pumpkin now some small pieces now. Nice and easy. Mm-hmm. Pumpkin look yellow and nice though, pretty. Fresh off of the farm. My style. Two more pumpkin up on the tree. You know. I want to have two more pumpkin. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah man. Pumpkin active. Alright, so show you which part pumpkin come from. One pumpkin that. Mm-hmm. Right up where the pumpkin come from. I realize my next pumpkin come up right there so too, you know. What I want pumpkin I did right off here so. It will pick. Somewhere have right here so. Yeah. I just feel like say I should have did peel them off so I just peel off the skin. I just take off skin. Can put them there in my pumpkin rice later. Yeah, I just take off the skin. Peel me. Yeah, peel me should have need peel them. Alright, so pumpkin ready now. I'm on ready for going in a blender now. Ready up. A big coconut right here. Yeah, so but the coconut have enough water. Mm, refreshing. Mm-hmm. All right, pretty. All right, so you know say this my other coconut here rock. You know, so I could have make a bowl out of this. Could have use a pot and make a bowl, but this is what I go on. But I go use a piece here to cook up the pot. But me not sure about the bowl, yeah, man. Nah, make no bowl. Too much hurt that now. Have too much calabash dish already, man. Chop. Time for hooks up coconut. Just hooks up the coconut, you know. Mm-hmm. Just hooks them up, and then cut them up. Blend them up in a blender and thing. Go on now. Coconut are well dry now. Alright. Come up there. Alright, so time to wash them off. Wash them off and put them up smaller. Hmm. Put them up small now. Small, may I cook them up. Alright, so ready for going I blend there now. Mm. I blend them up and get the juice in it. So time for get in the coconut in the blender. In my blender, you know. Get in the coconut then. Blend there, you know. Get in some water. Alright, so mix it. Right about now, make some noise, you know. Yes, so coconut I blend up. Alright, so I'm just go get the coconut juice in a pot. Put this one side. You go over this so stay right there so and get in the coconut juice in a pot. Alright. Get off the cover. Coconut milk rich. Rich coconut juice. Clean up right there, so. I can juice one more time though. Milk rich. Well, and enough porridge me I make, so this we do me still. Can use it, coconut juice. Maybe later when me cook up a pot. Alright, so up next, pumpkin. And alright, so time to blend up the pumpkin now. So I blend it up in the coconut milk. Alright, that's me say enough porridge me I make, so that I go on. I put it on the blender you know. Blend it up. Yeah. Alright, so cover up but this. Yeah. That one stay there, so soon find somewhere for put you. Yeah. Alright, so time for blend up the pumpkin. As I say the pumpkin the in the coconut juice, so blend it up you know. Alright, that was time to stop the blender now. Alright, so me have to catch up with the fire off camera. The fire the kind of out down. So I get on the pot you know. Get on the pot. Put the pan on fire you know. Just put in the pumpkin and the coconut juice and thing. So fire blazing now. But the pan fire now. Yeah. Oh, don't turn over now. Don't turn over in a pot. Alright. It's up the pot on the fire, you know? Alright. Feel like mother put a one banana in it, you know. And stir it up. Kind of thin. So, might have to put in like flour. But it a pretty some would have put some banana in it, you know. Banana maybe can help with the thickening. But just a check to drop off fire, so. Hey, but don't do that in a pot. Alright, so just peel some banana, cut them up, and blend them up. Just put a little bit of coconut juice. So I blend up the banana them. So I did ease off the pot off for a little bit. So I can blend up the banana. So the banana blend up now. So I just get in the banana now. Alright. Hope this can help with the thickening and thing. Alright, so now it dip on the fire again. You know what I mean? So I get in the ingredients them. Don't know. Get in some cinnamon leaf, nutmeg, little salt, little vanilla. My style. Alright. Time for get in some cinnamon leaves, little salt, nutmeg. salt and I leave them, you know. Leave them wash off, so I wash off and leave them. Yeah, get some water up there, so. Alright, that's that right there, so. Water bubble up, you know. Just wash off the cinnamon, leave them. Mm, just like that. Get them in the pot. Look like caramel porridge. Thicker than I thought. Alright, nutmeg, you know. Put in the nutmeg. Alright, don't know. Stir it up. First time I try this, you know. Yeah, man. So get in the nutmeg and thing in there. And then I put in little salt. Add in little vanilla too. Alright, you go inside. And time to get in the salt, you know. Alright, yeah, just like that. Go and soak in, you know. Alright, so get in little vanilla. Shake it up little. Put about 2 o'clock. Mix it in, you know. Yeah, man. Pumpkin porridge. Active. That's a code. Chrissy, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, that's a code. Yo, that's a code. That's a code. So go and simmer in little bit and thing, and then I go take off the pot. All I go on. I go take off the pot, you know. Some banana chop. Take off the pot and put it right there, so. Alright. Take a closer look. Looking good. Just sweeten up, you know. Yeah. Only sugar. No milk. Just sugar alone may I use sweeten up the porridge. Yeah, man. Alright. Sweeten up porridge, you know. Just like that. Oh, get a big spoon, a big spoon. Alright. Use my big spoon, you know. Yeah. it make the spoon drop in, is it? I go wash off the spoon. Make the spoon drop in the pot. Mad people, you know. So when you're mad. But taste the porridge, you know. One thing. I find somewhere nice to sit down. Nice and comfortable spot. Yeah. Find somewhere to sit. Porridge tastes so good. Mmm. Mmm. Yes, good. Yeah, just you all should try this pumpkin porridge with banana. Mmm. Mmm. So good. Mmm. And some? Mmm. 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 That is it. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so check in for the food, you know. Mmm. So eat up some of this food. Right now, mosquito, my boy, me prefer. Alright, get in some of this fish. Well, cook up. Jaja. That is it. Alright, dinner has been served. Yeah. Mmm. Little piece of fish bone. Mosquito, I'm out my way. Can't record mosquito. What do something more than mosquito, man? Big up all to all viewers and subscribers right about now. Please like, share, subscribe. Mmm. Looking good. That is it, peeps. Until our next video, pick up yourself.